Hello, welcome to Code with Kazem. In this short tutorial, I will speak about you how to merge two dictionaries. Suppose that we have two dictionary x equal a as a k and 1 as a value and b as a k and 2 as a value. It is a example dictionary and it equal to b equal 3 and c as a k and 4 as a value. How we can merge these two dictionary in a new dict without altering the original dicts. Easy way to this merge in Python 3 or greater, 3.5 or greater. So in Python 3.4 or greater, you can use, if we consider the merge dictionary as a z equal double star x and double star y. It is the simplest method to merge two dictionary. Okay, it is a x, y and z. As you see, the value of the dictionary are merged to each other. It is a new method in Python 3.4 or greater. I must describe things here that you can define, for example, if you want to add another value to this merge, you can do it simply. Suppose that we have another matrix as a w is combined merge of x, and for example you can add another value fo as a k and value 10 and call them as a k and value c and double star y. In this example, I'm adding two values to the previous Python code. If I run this code, it was x, it was y, and w contained the a, b, and two new value and y. It's a combination of this value. As I said before, it is supported in Python 3.5 or greater. So if we are not in Python 3.4, Python 2 or Python lower than 3.4, for merging two dictionary we can use this method. Okay, for another version of Python, Python 2 or lower than 3.5, you must write a function in here for merging two uh, dictionary. The name of, I said, the custom merge dic as a name and x iterate as the input value. Define z as x dot copy. We create a copy from x and put it in the z value. Then we update the z as a iterate value. In this way, when you use the update can merge the two dictionary with each other and return z. Okay. In this way, you just need to write z equal the name of the function, cause a merge on cause underline merge underline dic. Can put e in here for clarification. So in single operation, you can combine and merge these two dictionaries with other. You z is the merge of two x and y. This function can merge two dictionaries. If you want to merge any number of undefined number of dicts, how we can do it is very simple. For example, like the if merge dicts. As you know, in the Python we need to add a star before the in this way the input of the function can be any value, can be it is a list of variables. So in the we define the result as a empty dicts, and for dic in input this function is a dict underline. So I define here dicts underline args. In this way you don't need to copy, you just need to update. So the result dot update and the variable of the loop dic. When the loop is finished, we return the result. In this way you can combine, you can merge many dictionaries with other. For example, suppose that we have a z, then I have defined a new dictionary called the k and 20 as the value, with set 100, and Cosm as a k and 120 as a value. In here we have a for dictionary x, y, z, and f. We want to merge all of this dictionary with other. We use the merge underline x and x, y, z, and f. There are no limitation in the number of input to the dictionary. Save the code, merge the two, and it was x, y, z, f, and w. As you see, the w contain the merged value of x, y, z, and f. Code with cosm come at the end of the output value. Okay. In the final section, I will want to say about a wrong answer that some Python user thinks that work. We're trying this. Some person think that suppose that the output say that use the dict and the x dot items plus y dot items. As you know, the x dot items extract the items of a dictionary for us, and y dot items extract the item of a y dictionary. And as you know, the plus in Python merge two array with each other. But if you use this command, as you see, the Python say that the plus is not used for dict item. So this way is not supported in Python and produce error. So the best method for merging two dictionary is using this way. You can use in Python 3.5 or greater, or in another version of Python, or Python 3 or 5. For all the version of Python, you can write a function for merging two dictionary, or write a function to merging all the value of dictionary. So at the end, you can use simply merge undefined number of dictionary with other. Thank you for watching. I am Kazem from codewithkazem.com.